मालगुडी लैंडस्केप्स बाय आर के नारायण। 90s किड्स को ये अच्छे से याद होगा। रिमेंबर द टोन, ता ना 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 ना, ता ना 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 ना। Hi everyone, I'm Sahil. I am a storyteller, and today's video is all about my cameras and other filmmaking gears. Basically, I'll be just strolling from one corner of my house to the other, and I'll show you everything that evolves me as a storyteller and that keeps me happy when these things are around. My first purchase is the camera from which I'm recording right now. It's Canon 700D. Though it's not mine anymore, I've gifted it to my girlfriend who's recording this video right now. I remember it was 2014 when I purchased this camera. It was last day of my college. I was single, I was free, and I always had plans that I'll solo travel once I finish my college. So right away, on the last day of my college, I just went to the shop and purchased this one. And I can say that even today, if I talk about all the videos of my YouTube channel, more than 70% of my shots are shot from this camera. So it's a worthy purchase. Sleeping here is my one and only tripod. As I was solo traveling, I wanted something light as well as something sturdy enough to handle my naivety. So I went about buying this one. I think it was for 2000 rupees. Though it's a cheap one, but it's quite sturdy. Now see, it's been more than 5 years now, and this guy is going good. Also, one thing, if you're going to purchase your first tripod, always make sure that you're buying the one with the fluid head. It makes the shot butter smooth. My third purchase were prime lenses. When I came back from my first trip, I was not that happy with the quality of the shots because they all were recorded with this 1855 standard lens which comes with the camera, so which doesn't give good quality shots. So I bought some prime lenses. One is this 24mm and the other one is 50mm, which is on the camera right now. I'm quite happy. So my fourth purchase is this Steadicam. At that time I was quite influenced by Sam Kolder and the way he used to take his shots, like in-camera transitions, the fast-moving shots. So I was quite excited when I bought this, but I used it only once because I find it quite heavy and it was adding a lot of weight to my luggage. That's when I realized that I'll have to keep my gear little less light and low-key. So I ditched this guy. And I'm not sure if I'll use it again. Maybe I'll gift it to one of my friends. Yeah. Now comes my favorite part, the sound equipment. I have Zoom H5, which is a professional audio recorder, which I use for all my voiceovers. And I have this Video Micro, which is an on-camera mic. If you're really serious about storytelling, then after camera, if you want to invest on something, it should always be your mic and your audio recorder because sound really matters. Also, I have this artificial light, which again I don't use often because I love natural light in my videos. But हाँ, जब light चली जाती है, तब हम इसे ही use करते हैं. Here is my iMac, which is by far the most expensive investment. I still remember those days. I used to edit all my videos on my office laptop. और इतनी सैलरी नहीं थी कि मैं एक iMac परचेज कर सकूं या सोच भी सकूं. But as you know, when it's about career, you see things as an investment. So I started giving up a lot of things. I gave up my shopping, I gave up outside food, I gave up hanging out with friends. And after saving of 7 to 8 months, I finally got this guy. And I really can't explain that feeling. I think you already know that feeling. You must have saved something for your favorite bike or favorite car or anything which was special for you. So yeah, this iMac is that special for me. Just next to my system is my mood board where I pin my ideas, I pin my writings, or anything. If I come across something in a magazine जो थोड़ा सा different हो and which can add a lot to my storytelling, I'll just cut it out and I'll stick it here. So basically, this mood board helps me visualize. It keeps me on track. It keeps my storytelling on track, especially the words. So this one is my favorite, and एक यहाँ पे भी है. So this is my second favorite. I see it every morning. So this also works as a motivator for me. The rest of the stuff here is something which creates an environment, a very friendly environment for me to work. And एक वो पहाड़ वाली feeling आती है, that winter पहाड़ वाली feeling. My last purchase is this camera, Fujifilm X-T3. It's a mirrorless camera, and this is my main video camera, which I purchased for my commercial projects. And you can say that it's one-man army because it has got almost everything. It can record in 120 frames per second. It has got 4K. It has got fantastic colors. And yeah, as I said, it's one-man army. Talking about this camera reminds me of a very commonly discussed thing on internet. I've heard people saying that gear doesn't matter. If you can shoot with your mobile, why to invest in such expensive cameras? But as a storyteller, I completely disagree with that. I believe every equipment, whether it's camera or any other gear, every equipment has its own purpose, and one thing can't be replaced by the other. So as a storyteller, I would say that if you are serious about storytelling, you need to be very serious and selective about your gears as well. So I would suggest, if you're starting out, go for a reasonable DSLR or mirrorless camera, and don't just consider mobile as a substitute of a professional camera. Mobile just can't replace professional camera, not today, not tomorrow. The rest of the stuff here is my hard disk, and here is a Batman pouch which was gifted to me by my brother. इसमें I keep all my memory cards. इसके अलावा I have this viewfinder, which is a very good thing to have because it creates a 3-point contact with your camera, so which helps you stabilize the shot. Baki, I have this blower and a brush to keep my cameras and other stuff clean and tidy. And this is my small but dearest collection of books, जिनसे मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा सीखने को मिलता है. So this is fiction, this is non-fiction. Books really play an important role in a storyteller's life. People often ask me, how do you write your scripts? How do you come up with ideas? And every time I have the same answer, that it comes from good stories by good authors. So start reading if you want to write good. Malgudi Landscape by R.K. Narayan. Farewell Summers. This was gifted to me by Deepika on our first Valentine. Into the Wild. This is one book which every traveler has. Book ना भी हो तो movie तो surely देखी होगी. So yeah, this is my small but dearest collection.